There's so many different things that I enjoy about working for Focal Point.
One of the really unique things of Focal Point is that we kind of do everything.
With Focal Point, you have the opportunity to pursue your passion.
Focal Point is a company that has a lot of energy and great ideas.
You don't have to know anything about lighting. Focal Point is very hands-on.
Our customers view us as an innovator in lighting technology. We've always been, cutting edge on product design and product development. And with the integration of LED, it's only enhanced that. We do things unlike anyone else, and we deliver product in different form factors that are very new and very exciting.
I'm always learning. That's my favorite thing about working at Focal Point. I learn different things all the time. The different technologies we use, from 3D printing, laser machines, press brakes. And as you talk to a lot of the managers, they're always thinking of the next thing. So things are always evolving.
Throughout my career here, I really have had a lot of roles where I've been given the opportunity to sort of make things happen. And I think that's consistent to what a lot of people feel. You talk about that entrepreneurial culture.
Being able to get hands-on with something you're designing gives you a different aspect of it. You can design until you're blue in the face on a computer, but once you start putting parts together and seeing how the different parts interact with each other, you start changing your design just based on how the physical parts go together. You really need that wealth of knowledge of how we're processing material and how we're building our luminaires to make sure we're building a top quality design product.
You actually see the owner of the company. Most companies, you don't see that, but they're very hands-on, and you communicate with them about certain projects and they would know what's going on with that project. It makes it more of a family feeling.
When I came to my interview, I was really shocked at how beautiful the building was. From the outside, it just looks like a factory. So when I walk in and I see the lighting, I'm just blown away. So during the temp process, I was so shocked at how friendly everyone was. I knew within 30 days that I wanted to be here permanently.
What has kept me here is that I never get bored. I've been able to do everything, and I've moved around so much within the company. When I first started at Focal Point, I was a receptionist. I helped out in customer service. I did purchasing, I did accounting, I've done shipping, I've done receiving. I've pretty much done everything except go out onto the lines and build a light fixture.
I'm excited by the amount of growth that is still yet to be had here at the company. How we're a good mid-sized company now, but we've got a lot of runway to do even better, to become even bigger, more successful. I'm going to be able to grow my career with this company on that same type of track. So I've really got a personal stake in the success of what we do here.
I think there's some things that are fundamental to Focal Point that are different from most companies you find. One is that it's a very friendly environment. People genuinely like to get along with each other, and we encourage participation in events. So there's a lot of activities, a lot of collaboration, and it's not just about the extracurricular, but it's about all the projects you work on and the work you do, that people get along very well here.
I don't see a lot of companies doing the things that Focal Point does for their employees. It's employee first.
I couldn't say too much about the people that work here. I love the employees that work for me. I love my peers in the management realm.
What should drive what you're passionate about so that we can harness that passion and turn that into the next big thing.
To be able to have a job where you enjoy coming into work the next day is rewarding. Bring tomorrow on.
I would tell anyone who wants to work here to do it.
Being a brand representative is very important, but it's easy because it's Focal Point. It's a great place to work.